Welcome to another episode of BoonDocker Garage. Today we're going to be talking about the one thing you must do to your Arctic Cat or Polaris snowmobile. Right here are high energy weights. All right guys, today we're going to be talking about the high energy line of clutching for your Polaris or Arctic Cat snowmobile. Now these weights come pre-engineered in a set of 3, and they are designed to fit any model year 18 or newer Arctic Cat and any Polaris with a P85 clutch. So diving into this product a little bit deeper, I'm going to tell you there's a couple ways to buy it. First and foremost, we got to get you to the website, and that's where almost all of our transactions take place. So go ahead and check it out on the website, and there's tons of great information there. Now these weights are available by themselves, with the capsules, or in a complete clutch kit. And so with the premium clutch kit, what you're going to get is our weights, of course the high energy weights, and you're going to get 3 sets of 3 capsules. So you're going to have a wide range of tunability and adjustability. And you're going to get a primary and secondary spring. Again, that's just going to give you a more positive shift out and a more positive back shift. And then finally, you're going to get a dual angle helix. And we've cut this both for high boost and low boost. So there's quite a bit of variety and application here to this helix. Coming soon, you'll find that we start releasing more helixes and more clutch products that are going to complement what we have here. Our high energy base kit includes just weights and can be installed with simple hand tools. On the other side of the spectrum, our premium kits do require a secondary compression tool. After testing a lot of different weights, we came to the table knowing that there really wasn't anything on the market that accomplished what we needed out of a weight. And part of that is we like a higher engagement. It's a little more performance feel. And so we sat down with computer-aided drafting programs and Excel spreadsheets and really worked through the formula on where it makes the most sense to put this weight. And when I say that, I mean where on the actual weight does it make sense to put the weight. It makes sense. There's some engineering behind what's in this profile and how fast your clutches are going to shift out. Those two things combined with the adjustability of moving the weight through the heel really brings out what makes this weight different than other weights on the market. There's really no other weight that has a heel adjustment where it seats on the heel. And so you can be assured that it's going to be an error-free and easy adjustment anytime you need to make a switch. Now, when you're out in the field, you don't want to be messing around with a whole bunch of little parts and pieces trying to figure out what's going to make your day more fun. BoonDocker's done all the math behind the scenes. And so we've got charts really available for you. They're on our website. Check them out. They're going to tell you what's the right weight to order and where's the best place to start as far as your capsule. That being said, a lot of our customers are really chasing that last little bit of performance, and there definitely is some performance in making on-the-fly adjustments to your clutching. This can be done really easily while the clutch is still in the sled without taking the belt or any of the other clutch pieces apart. You simply unscrew your capsule from the heel of the weight and replace with a new capsule. The engineered design of these capsules helps prevent errors like not seating the capsule correctly or completely. These capsules are going to go in, they're going to give you a positive feel when they've seated, and they're going to give you a positive feel when they come back out. So you know that your weights and your capsules are installed correctly. For in the field adjustments, you can expect less than 5 minutes and a completely different feel with every set of capsules. Now we're going to start you off with 3 sets of capsules if that's the kit you choose. There are more capsules available if you want a little more adjustability. With these capsules, we have an effective range of around 5 grams of adjustability. Now, what that means for you is that it's important you pick the correct base weight for your application. There's not a single base weight because of the performance we've engineered into these that's going to suit the same naturally aspirated sled at sea level and a high boost sled at 10,000 feet. But we have provided charts so you can select the right base weight and go from there. Now on the field and for your specific machine, that 5 grams of adjustability is more than enough to cover how your sled may run compares to others or what the environment conditions of the day are doing to your sled in that specific day. The high energy weights are made in the USA. They're actually machined right here in our shop in Idaho Falls, Idaho, and it is a precision machining process. And so not only do we get a more quality product out the door, but we're taking the time to match these within 1/10 of a gram. So you know when you get your complete set that you have a precision machined and matched set of weights. Now, that process or that service is worth a lot of money in high-end racing applications, but we're doing that to you because we understand that our BoonDocker customers have the highest demands in the industry. There's a ton of different weights on the market, and one of the reasons we know this is so successful is our involvement in the Rimshaw racing circuit. Rimshaw, as you might know, is the Rocky Mountain Hill Climb Association, and it really is there as a proving ground for us and a lot of our products. Last year, we brought these weights to the course. By the second race, over 90% of the factory Polaris racers had switched to these weights. I'm talking racers like Luke Rainey and Keith Curtis. These are the biggest names in the industry, and they're winning on stock sleds, they're winning on improvers, and they're winning on mod sleds, and they're winning with our weights. You take a step away from Rimshaw and look at other professionals in our industry. Riders like Chris Burandt and Dan Adams love these weights. They wake up a stock sled, and they're great for a turbo sled. Now, if I had a stock sled before I even considered a turbo, I would put these weights in. After about 15 minutes of installation, what you can expect out of this high energy clutch system is first and foremost, Rippier on the bottom. It's gonna be a lot more fun right out of the gate. You can expect it's gonna pull harder through the mid-range, and you can expect that it's gonna have a higher top speed. These 3 points combined is our BoonDocker guarantee. Now, if you get these weights, you get 30 days to try them out and make sure they're right for you, but we don't see sets come back, so enjoy.